Finding the perfect balance of power, precision, and ease of use starts with choosing the right best electric lawnmower. These modern machines deliver quiet operation, effortless starts, and eco-friendly performance while ensuring your lawn stays neat, healthy, and beautifully trimmed every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Greenworks Electric Lawnmower. The Greenworks electric lawnmower offers impressive cordless convenience, making it ideal for homeowners who value clean, quiet, and effortless lawn care. Powered by a reliable 40V 4.0 Ah battery, it provides up to 35 minutes of runtime, perfect for maintaining small to medium lawns up to half an acre. The 16-inch cutting deck ensures efficient mowing, while its lightweight frame, 35% lighter than traditional gas mowers, makes it easy to maneuver and store. With its single-lever 5-position height adjustment, you can customize your cut between 1.25 to 3.375 inches to suit different grass types and conditions. The 2-in-1 mulching and rear bagging system offers flexibility for grass disposal, promoting a cleaner lawn finish. Beyond performance, this mower is low maintenance, eliminating the cost and hassle of gas, oil, or tune-ups. Quiet operation under 75 decibels makes it neighborhood friendly, and the inclusion of a battery, fast charger, and grass bag ensures you have everything needed right out of the box. Number 2. LawnMaster Electric Lawnmower. The LawnMaster Electric Lawnmower combines practical power with simplicity, offering an eco-conscious mowing solution for small yards. Delivering up to 3,300 RPM with its efficient motor and 14-inch cutting width, it ensures precise cutting performance without the emissions, fuel, or maintenance of gas mowers. This corded model requires no batteries, making it perfect for users seeking consistent power without worrying about recharging. Its 5-position height adjustment lets you easily choose between 1.4 and 3 inches, allowing you to achieve the perfect lawn height regardless of grass type. The lightweight 28-pound body, complemented by 7.75-inch rear wheels, ensures excellent maneuverability even around tight corners or garden beds. A 7-gallon collection bag keeps clippings neatly contained, leaving your yard clean and polished. Designed for compact storage, the folding push handles make it easy to tug away in garages or sheds when not in use. Ideal for those who appreciate simplicity, this mower delivers dependable performance without the complications of fuel mixing or battery maintenance. Number 3. Ego Power Plus 6.0 amp-hour electric lawnmower. The Ego Power Plus 6.0 amp-hour electric lawnmower stands out for its premium power and cutting versatility, rivaling gas mowers in performance while maintaining quiet, efficient operation. Featuring the innovative Select Cut multi-blade system, it allows users to customize their cut for optimal grass finish, whether they prefer a fine mulch or a clean bagging result. Its touch-drive self-propelled technology offers complete control at your fingertips, letting you adjust the pace effortlessly to match your walking speed between 0.9 and 3.1 mph. With 256V 6.0 amp-hour ARC lithium batteries, this mower delivers an impressive 100-minute runtime, making it ideal for larger lawns. The high-efficiency brushless motor ensures durability, reduced vibration, and longer life, while 8 height-adjusted positions from 1 to 4 inches provide unmatched flexibility for different grass types. The 3-in-1 system supports mulching, bagging, and side discharge, offering multiple ways to handle clippings. Number 4. American Lawn Electric Lawnmower. The American Lawn Electric Lawnmower offers reliable, eco-friendly performance for homeowners who value simplicity and clean operation. Powered by an 11-amp motor, it efficiently handles light to medium mowing tasks without the noise, fumes, or fuel of gas models. The 16-gallon grass bag allows for extended mowing before emptying, and the cutting height is easily adjustable between 1 and 2.5 inches using a convenient single lever. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and store, while the cushioned height adjustable handle ensures user comfort throughout the job. This mower operates quietly and requires virtually no maintenance, no oil changes, tune-ups, or spark plug replacements, saving both time and money. Because it's corded, it delivers consistent power from start to finish, ideal for small yards. Environmentally conscious users will appreciate its zero emissions and energy-efficient performance. Simply plug it in and start mowing. No hassle, no waiting. The American Lawn Electric Lawnmower is perfect for those who want a dependable, straightforward lawn care solution that keeps the yard tidy without the headaches of gas-powered machines. Number 5. Ego Power Plus 56V Electric Lawnmower. The Ego Power Plus 56V Electric Lawnmower delivers exceptional cutting performance and runtime, proving that battery-powered mowers can outperform gas. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor producing up to 6.00 foot-pounds of cutting torque, it offers superior power and longevity. The included 56V 6.00 AH battery provides up to 55 minutes of room time on a single charge, perfect for medium to large lawns. Users can easily adjust cutting height between 1.25 and 4 inches with a simple lever, tailoring their cut to different conditions. The 3-in-1 functionality supports mulching, bagging, and side discharge, while the 2-bushel grass back efficiently collects clippings. Starting the mower is effortless with a push-button ignition, and LED headlights make early morning or late evening mowing more convenient. Its IPX4 weather-resistant design ensures durability under various conditions, and the adjustable handle offers ergonomic comfort for extended use. When finished, the mower folds compactly for easy storage in tight spaces. Combining advanced technology with rugged dependability, the Ego Power Plus 56V electric lawnmower provides a powerful, quiet, and environmentally friendly mowing experience. It's a top-tier choice for homeowners seeking professional-grade results with zero emissions and minimal maintenance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.